You've probably noticed there hasn't been much activity on my YouTube channel lately. I've had my computer in the fix-it shop for most of March. But before that, I was working on a project. I'd flown into Chicago's Midway airport and took a transit bus to rent a car. And the bus driver, her name was Betty, she was amazing. And while she drove, she sang to us, "The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all the way to arrivals." I thought this was so fun, and I decided I would honor Betty, the bus driver, with a little video about my experience, because it was one of the fun things that happened to me while I was in Chicago. And it was just at the airport. I was headed to the car rental place and then back. So I designed Betty's uniform. And I'm hoping to get those patterns and tutorials up on my website soon.